Hey everyone, welcome to Compiler Sword. This is me Riaz from programmingproton.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a Hello World app. So before we start, let me tell you that we have launched an iOS developer course at Skillshare.com. So basically Skillshare is an online learning community for people who want to learn from educational videos. So if you are a beginner and want to learn iOS development, then click the link in the description box below and get 2 months free subscription on Skillshare. So go and check out. So back in our video and go to the Xcode and hit the create a new Xcode project. Go with the single view application and give it a name like Hello World app. Okay, so save your path where you want to save your project. So create, and yes, we're done. We save our project. So now go to the main storyboard where we design our screen. So this is our screen, which is totally white. So now we add some colors, some background labels, and also buttons. Okay, so now go to the attribute inspector where we customize our screen. So go with the custom background color and select the perfect color for our screen. Yeah, yellow is fine. So now we add some labels. So go to the library and search for label and drag and drop the label into the top of the screen and resize it. Yeah, put text in the middle and then change the text, which is hello world app. Okay, now go to the color and change the font color. So yeah, red is fine for this time. Now go to the font and change the font color. So select system and go with the custom, and then go to the family and select the perfect font. I'll go with Futura, which is my favorite, and give it a size 30. It's fine. Again, resize. Yeah. Okay. Now again, go to the library, drag and drop label on the middle on the screen. Again, resize. Put text on the center and give it a welcome. Again, go to the custom font color. Blue is perfect. Go to the font and give it a size which is 23. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so we customize our background screen and put some labels on our screen. So this is our first Hello World app. So select the iPhone device, iPhone 8, and then hit the play button. So in the first time when you launch your app, it take a little bit time, like 2 or 3 minutes. So now it's launching. So this is our launch screen, which is totally white. Yeah. Okay. In the upper right, there is Hello World app, and in the middle on the screen, there is a welcome. And we cannot put E on the welcome spelling. Okay. So yes. Again, stop projecting and then hit the play button. Okay. Yeah. This is fine. And now we change our launch screen, which is totally white. So click on the launch screen, again go to the attribute inspector and go with the custom background and change the color. I think sky blue is perfect. Yeah, and we also give it some label. Yeah, again middle, and then give it a launch screen. Go to the color and change the color. No, not yellow. I think blue is fine, and screen. Okay. Now change the font size and give it 30. Okay, it's too big, so 23. Yeah, that's fine. So we customize our launch screen, and again we launch our app and see. Okay, it's fine. Our launch screen is blue color and our main screen is in yellow. So our launch screen only takes 2 or 3 seconds. Okay, so this is our first Hello World app, and we also put some buttons and some navigations bar in our project. So if you want to see more programming videos, then consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you.